The CB radio mount and antenna kit will be just for you if you already have your CB radio and you just need those few extra components to complete that setup. This kit consists of the mount for the radio itself and a rear spare tire mount for the antenna. There are a bunch of different mounting solutions, but if you're looking for the easiest, most accessible option for your 07 to 17 JK, this will be it. Installing this is a piece of cake at 1 out of 3 wrenches. It doesn't require any cutting, but you will have to drill 2 small holes for the radio mount if you own an 07 to 10 JK. But I'll get into the details in just a moment. Like I just said, this kit consists of 2 mounts, the radio mount and the antenna mount that are universal with any standard 40-channel CB radio and antenna. The good thing about that is that it gives you options on what other components you want to add to your CB setup. Both of the mounts are made of solid steel. The radio mount is lightweight but sturdy, and it attaches right above the rear view mirror. I couldn't think of a better place to put the radio for the best accessibility without it getting in the way. The mount also has a hoop design at the front to hold the cord for your handset to keep it out of the way as well. What I really like about this is that it's mounted high enough so it doesn't interfere with your visibility with the rear view mirror. The rear mount is going to be thick and heavy, but since it's mounted to the outside of the Jeep, it's for good reason. The thick gauge steel with a powder coat finish is going to prevent any rust or corrosion from forming on the mount, and it includes all the hardware to secure it to the spare tire mount. Some Jeep owners, including myself, like to run the Jeep without a spare tire on the back, and the thing that I like about this is that you don't necessarily need the actual spare tire mount to attach this because it's designed to work with the holes that are placed there from the factory. There are other spots where you could mount this antenna, but from my personal experience, this mount's placement is the most practical option because it's positioned right next to the grommet in the tailgate to feed the coax wire through. Overall, this is a very affordable package coming in at around $50. This is very fairly priced for what you're getting here. We also do offer these 2 mounts separately if you just wanted one or the other, and that option will cost you roughly around the same as getting them paired together. Now, there's not much to compare this package to on our site because there are no other options for a mount for the radio and the antenna in a kit. We do offer other packages that include the coax cable and the antenna mount, as well as a package with the cable, antenna mount, and the antenna. But you would not be getting the mount for the CB radio with those packages. This kit will give you options for what you would like to pair together with your full CB radio setup. I would recommend checking out all of our radio and our antenna options like the United CB radio and the very popular 4-foot Fire Stick antenna underneath our CB radios and equipments page. If you are just looking for both of the mounts to complete your setup, this is definitely the best option, and Rugged Ridge always backs their products with a 5-year limited warranty to keep a peace of mind. The install is going to be broken down into 2 parts for each mount, but both are very easy, coming in at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It should only take you about 20 minutes overall, and you will only need a couple of hand tools to get these all hooked up. For the radio mount, you will have to remove the interior plastic over the middle footman loop and then remove the middle footman loop itself. For the 07 to 10 models, you'll have to drill out rivets using a 3/8 inch drill bit and replace the rivets with the well nuts provided. For both models, you're then going to sandwich the mount in between the 2 screws and the footman loop. For the antenna mount, all you have to do is remove the spare tire, remove the top right-hand 13mm bolts, and sandwich the mount in between the tire carrier and the provided bolts, washers, and lock washers. So if you're looking to complete your CB radio package, Rugged Ridge has you covered. You can find this kit and everything else Wrangler right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.